What is up, guys? So today we are gonna be cleaning my diesel heater because it kind of started failing on me. So last night it was off and on, like it'd heat up, but then it'd kick off, and the glow plugs would kick back on. Then it'd heat up again, and it'd kick off, and the glow plugs would kick back on. Then it'd heat up, and it just kept doing the same thing. Barely used any fuel, but the fuel pump keeps kicking on, and I can see fuel in the lines. But anyway, we're gonna clean that today. So we're gonna just take it all apart, get it all cleaned out. We got some brake cleaner, get the inside all cleaned up in some little rags, and we should be able to do it. Hopefully that fixes the problem that we're having. It's not like life or death, but it would be nice. We do have this for heating as well, and a little thing over there. Don't mind my mess table. Forgot to clean it off before this video. I haven't told myself that I wanted to. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump to it. Alright, so here we have it. I went ahead and took it out of my closet. Make it a little easier on the both of us. But yeah, so first things first, gas cap off. Then you got these clips. I only got 2 attached right now, so I could just get out of my closet because I did have it off before. So just take this off, like so. This thing here is about to be a mess. Maybe not. Let's see how quickly I can do this. About a speed run on cleaning a diesel heater. Alright. So this is about to just have diesel everywhere. Stays in there. And got the bolts there. Get that off. Oh hell yeah! I'm gonna have to take that off. Sweet. Maybe I should have tried loosening it with my finger in the first place. Alright. Oh shit. Take this pin out for the fuel pump. So we can disconnect it like so. And we can just take this whole fuel canister out of there. I wish that would quit moving on me. Yeah. Sometimes you just feel dumb. Or I do. I don't know if it's for anybody else, but sometimes I just be feeling dumb as hell. There we go. Got that. Now what? That really doesn't seem just to pull one off there. That did. Yeah, definitely. Oh, shit. Be a little more careful about that. Definitely some bolts right here. Dummy me was just not looking at them. Man, I tell you what, I cannot. Just cannot be that simple. So we have a little something better in there than this, but. No, my uncle does, but it's freaking snowing like heck right now. Oh, they're not even that tight. It'll take a minute, but we'll have it done. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get these loosened up. Turn the camera off real quick, save some storage. See you guys in a second. Alright, we are back. We went ahead and got it out of the cage. And we're about to start taking the motor apart. So this is just the motor assembly itself. I think this just pops off like so. Pretty dirty, not gonna lie. That's, yeah, still. That scared me. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what I thought was gonna happen, but it scared me. Got that. Now, this just comes out like so. Remember not. I just said we gotta remember not to break it, and then broke it. It's okay. We got some. That was what that red silicone stuff was earlier. It's gasket maker. So we'll just put some gasket maker on there, and it'll be okay. Should be. Yeah. So now this just comes out of the plastic, like so. And this is the fan. So now we got this off. We can go ahead, see what Allen wrench it uses. I think it might be that one. Let's go ahead and get these off. Got it. Alright. Yep. Should come like off like that. And oh, gasket's still good. Good sign there. This little clip here, I think we're going to take that off. Need to clean the fan off a little bit, not gonna lie. But that's still pretty good. That's the turbine that spins all the fan and stuff. And right here's the glow plug. We need to take that out before we can get this other piece off. So what we do here is take this, get it down to size obviously, and we get the glow plug. I was told in another video that I think they make a special tool for this, but we're going to try to get it ourselves on the first. Okay, I think we got it. It says all you need to do is just spin it at one time. Sure it's start spinning, yep, on its own. So we'll go ahead and take this gasket out for it. It was just spinning on its own. So just be careful with the wires, but it's doing exactly what the other video said. You just give it that one little turn and it'll come out. Glow plug looks pretty good still, not gonna lie. It's not too bad. See, it's pretty clean. Yeah, pretty clean. I'll just still spray some brake cleaner on it and give it a nice shower. And put these ones in a different area. They are shorter than the first ones we took, so I don't think you're gonna mess them up anyway. And you probably shouldn't be doing this with Probably shouldn't be doing this with an impact, but it seems like that one there, they kind of stripped out when they manufactured it. So So that just slides out. And this really ain't looking bad. Like the ones I seen in the other videos, it was like filled with soot. But this ain't looking bad at all. So, hopefully this is the problem though. I really would like for it to start working again like it was. So just go ahead and get the brake cleaner and do the tape. Man, I tell you what, that's the most annoying part, getting brake cleaner or WD-40. I think WD-40 is a little more simpler, but they just tape it on there and it's somewhat hard to get the tape off. Let's go ahead and get this cleaned out. Pretty sure we can just spray it in there. Oh. Sorry I'm being a little quiet, but I was just trying to get this done. And I'm pretty sure I got you guys in a little fast forward mode anyway, so it's okay. Man, this thing was dirty though. Didn't really look, you know, like I said, as bad as other ones, but still pretty dirty, I think. Shit! I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. I had to cut that one a little short because I don't know if you guys seen, but totally just got maced in the face by some brake cleaner stuff. But anyway, also had to move the car out of my driveway because it is a downpour right now for the snow. I mean, my goodness, look at that, guys. This is in Ohio and we are freaking pouring the snow. But yeah, I also had to move the car because it probably would have got stuck. I did got gravel down, but still probably would have got stuck. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to that. I think we're done with this piece though, because getting maced in the face ain't no fun. We gotta clean this little thing off. That'll be good. Yeah, I gotta clean this. Alright, I'll just let these parts dry up a bit and put them all back together, which I'll get on video, obviously. We do need to clean the gas lines out real quick. Or not real quick. Alright, got the gas tank cleaned out for the most part. And you guys won't believe what this freaking gas looks like that was in there. I mean, look how dirty this is. Look at that, people. That was what was in that tank. All that dirt. That's ridiculous. So yeah, we're kind of doing it for a reason. That's what that's looking like. And we'll just use some paper towels to filter it back in the this fuel back in the tank. Be careful not to spill this. And I think we can go ahead and start assembling things again. I think. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Well, let's go ahead and give this fuel pump a clean. Gotta be real careful with it right here, because this thing has a little rubber piece. You gotta make it go down in the... Oh, I think I had it backwards. That's what I'm sitting here telling you guys. But yeah, so this thing has a little rubber piece, and if you don't put it the right way, you can break it. That'd be bad, because you kind of need it. But there's that. Go ahead and get your drill. These ones here, I'm gonna just put in kind of the same order they had them, because this one was cross-threaded, and hopefully we can get it back in there. So we got this cleaned out, fellas. We're going to go ahead and hook it back up to the wall. We're back in my closet and plug it in and see if it works, and we'll be right back. All right, so oh shit, I just blinded you guys with the old spotlight, but we just got that fixed up, or cleaned up I should say. Got it plugged in. We're about to fill it up with some fuel now. About to use the same fuel that we had in it, but about to fill it out with some paper towels. Ooh, there's a splinter in my sock. Get some light going up in here. But yeah, so we're about to fire your old girl up. Sorry about that, had to drop it down. But yeah, so we're about to fill it up and see what it does. Hopefully it fires up and starts circulating and going. But yeah, we're about to see. Alright, sorry for the darkness, but we are trying to get the diesel heater started, but it's doing the same thing as it was doing. So I'm not really sure what the problem is. I think I'm gonna just have to order a new one in this. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't, and subscribe, comment, do whatever. Tell me what other videos you want to see. It kind of just goes at a spur of the moment over here. Like, I didn't realize that my diesel heater was gonna break down on me. But hey, you know, it is what it is. And that's it.